Hosta Mini Skirt, a shade-loving charmer for your garden. I'm Ferg Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the delightful Hosta Mini Skirt. This petite perennial is a favorite among gardeners for its striking foliage and low-maintenance nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about bringing the Hosta Mini Skirt's charm to your garden. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hosta Mini Skirt? The Hosta Mini Skirt, a cultivar of the Hosta genus, commonly known as plantain lily, is a compact, shade-loving perennial prized for its ornamental foliage. It forms a miniature mound of thick, wavy leaves with a captivating color combination. The leaves emerge a cool blue-green in spring, boasting a creamy yellow margin that matures to a creamy white as the season progresses. The center of the foliage deepens to a richer green, creating a captivating contrast. In midsummer, delicate lavender flowers with subtle purple stripes emerge, adding a touch of elegance to the display. How does the Hosta Mini Skirt compare to other hostas? While there are hundreds of Hosta varieties, the Mini Skirt stands out for its miniature size. Reaching a mature height of just 6 to 9 inches and a spread of up to 16 inches, it's ideal for smaller gardens, container plantings, or edging shady borders. Compared to larger hostas, the Mini Skirt offers a finer texture due to its narrower, more delicate leaves. This delicate quality adds a touch of whimsy and complements other shade-loving plants with bolder foliage. Here's a quick comparison of the Hosta Mini Skirt with two other popular varieties. Hosta Franci. This large hosta boasts heart-shaped, blue-green leaves with a corrugated texture. It reaches a mature height of 2 to 3 feet, making it a good choice for larger shade areas. Hosta Golden Tiara. This medium-sized hosta features green leaves with a bright yellow margin. It grows to 12 to 18 inches tall and is known for its vibrant foliage color. Choosing the right hosta for your garden. Consider the available space and desired effect when selecting a hosta variety. The Mini Skirt's compact size makes it versatile, while larger varieties like France offer a bolder statement in expansive shade gardens. Where should I plant my Hosta Mini Skirt? The Hosta Mini Skirt thrives in shady locations. Ideally, aim for an area that receives dappled sunlight for a few hours a day or consistent shade. Avoid placing it in full sun, as the leaves can scorch. Planting tips. Select a well-drained location with fertile soil rich in organic matter. Amending the soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Dig a hole twice the size of the plant's root ball and loosen the surrounding soil to encourage root growth. Gently position the plant and backfill the hole, ensuring the crown sits level with the soil surface. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and keep the plant well hydrated throughout the growing season. How do I care for my Hosta Mini Skirt? The Hosta Mini Skirt is a low-maintenance plant that requires minimal upkeep. Here are the essentials. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season, especially during hot and dry periods. Once established, the plant exhibits some drought tolerance, but maintaining consistent moisture is ideal. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer once in early spring to promote healthy growth. Mulching. Apply a 2-inch layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Pruning. Remove spent flower stalks after blooming to maintain a tidy appearance. You can also remove any discolored or damaged leaves throughout the season. Pests and diseases. The Hosta Mini Skirt is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for slugs and snails, which can munch on the leaves. Hand-picking or using organic slug and snail control methods is recommended. Here are some additional points to consider. Companion planting. Due to its preference for shade and moist soil, the Hosta Mini Skirt pairs well with other shade-loving plants like ferns, astilbes, eucharis, coral bells. These plants offer a variety of textures and colors, creating a visually interesting composition in your shade garden. Winter care. The Hosta Mini Skirt is a cold-hardy perennial, thriving in USDA zones 3 to 9. In colder climates, the foliage will die back in late fall. You can simply leave the dead leaves on the plant, as they provide natural insulation for the crown. Alternatively, cut them back in late fall or early spring before new growth emerges. Deer resistance. Another bonus point for the Hosta Mini Skirt is its resistance to deer browsing. This makes it a great choice for gardens frequented by these hungry herbivores. Can I propagate my Hosta mini skirt? Absolutely. The Hosta mini skirt is easily propagated by division in early spring or late summer. Carefully dig up the mature plant and use a sharp knife to divide the root ball into sections, ensuring each section has several healthy eyes, buds. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil and water them well. Conclusion: the Hosta mini skirt is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its compact size, striking foliage, and low maintenance requirements make it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or those with limited space. With proper care, this delightful perennial will reward you with years of beauty and charm. So, if you're looking for a shade-loving gem to brighten your shady corners, the Hosta mini skirt is sure to steal the show.